Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 17th, 2020. In this additional, we have 5 Sudokus. The first one is a 1 star. Second one, 2 stars. Third one, the 3 star Sudoku, a binary and a tectonic. Total of 5 Sudokus in this additional. The first one, I will solve the first one. So let's get started. Alright. This one should be number 999. Alright. Let me see which number can I use. How about the number? The number. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then how about the last column? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here a 2, so no 2 there. Here also no 2 there. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. Then then I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see another digit. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here also a 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing in the last column. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. But we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be here. How about the number? Yeah, we have a pair here in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3, and the other missing number is a 5. So 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. I see here the 3 and the 5, so no 3 and the 5 in these 2 boxes, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3 also, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 7. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then we have three missing numbers in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 8 and the 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 6. Then and then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 3, alright. So we have a 6, 7, and 1. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 6 and the 7 are left. 6 and the 7 are left. Here in this row also the 6 and the 7. That means 6 and the 7, these 2 should be the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. These 2 boxes, the 4 and the 5. No, 4 and the 7 are missing. 4 and the 7 in this column. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 numbers, 8 and 9, 1, 3, and 6. 1, 3, and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 1 in this row, 1 in the row below? So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 numbers left in the last row, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and the 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These two should be the 9 and the 2. In this column, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. That means in the second column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. In the second column, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. Here a 9, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left. In this column for the numbers 6 and 8. No, the 8 should be here. 6 and 3. 6 and 3. 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column, the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 4 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, great Sudoku. Number 999. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video number 999, and I will see you in a minute with the next Sudoku. That will be a Sudoku with 2 stars, number 1K. Yes, a milestone. See you later. Bye bye for now.